relasyon natin.
Dapat mag-ingat tayo, lalo na kay Mr. Park. Wala pa po ba si boss?
Kapag-areglo na raw kay Mr. Sandoval.
Ha? Hindi pwede yun!
What is wrong with you? Delikado yung ginawa mo.
Boss, wag mo nang ituloy yung binabalak mo.
I have to fix this. I have to prove to Mr. Park that I can fix this.
Alam ko, pero may iba ka namang paraan eh. Kasi hindi ikaw po, boss. Kasi yung Brandon na kilala ko, hindi na ikakompromise yung prinsipyo niya for an easy way out.
Risk everything we've worked for?
Yun yung nagustuhan ko sa'yo, di ba? Lagi mo pinipili ang tama. Kahit ang hirap. Kaya nga mahal kita eh.
I'm ready out to fight this.
Eh di mag-brainstorm tayo. Yung basic brain mo, yung diskarte ko, I'm sure we can come up with something. Tayo pa ba? Ang akin lang, ayokong buhatin mo ito mag-isa. Oo, boss ka namin. Malaki ang responsibilidad mo sa kumpanya. Pero gusto ko nang malaman mo na hindi lang ito ang prime alpha. Tutulungan ka namin. Andito lang kami.
I don't know how you do it. I'm so in love with you.
Kita mo yun kanina, nagmamadaling umalis sa sekretary Kim.
Di kaya mag-LQ mag-jowa?
Ha?
Sino mag-jowa?
Bilis ng tenga, I love it.
Sabihin nyo na, sino mag-jowa? Wala mag-jowa dito, no? Ano ka ba?
Ay nako, Joy is still the key. Nadulas na kayo eh. Ha?
Kaya nga, ilan naman tayo dito.
Ay! OMG! Boss, baka naman kayo naninisaran.
OMG, baka naman kayo na ni Ronnie.
Or, maybe it's Secretary Giman.
Actually,
Kami na, mister.
surprise! Ako imposible, hated each other kayo.
May pinagtatakpan ko sa
Ayaw niyo maniwala,
Ano ka ba?
Ay! And this is our beautiful pantry.
Mr. Park,
Is this how you want to work?
No, sir. Just for today because it's International Kiss of Friendly.
yes, International Kiss of Friendly. Yes, we love kissing each other. Only today.
Let's move on.
So, hindi pa alam ni Don na alam na natin.
Okay.
So, pag pinakilala niya, please, act surprised.
Okay. Tawagan sila.
Dad?
So what brings you here, Don?
Mom? Dad? I want to introduce someone very special to me.
Wow, that's brand new information!
Alam ko namang alam niyo.
Pasensya na, anak. Sa totoo lang, I'm quite curious how all of this happened. Well, we can talk about it over lunch.
And that sounds great, Mom. Pero I have to talk to Dad about something first.
Oh, sure enough. You wanna go to the office?
What?
Bonnie! Hindi.
Fair lunch.
Lovey, you take care of Tim, okay?
Sige po.
Sige.
Kailangan ko na
that bad.
If I fail to deliver our end of the bargain, I might compromise our partnership with the parks and also lose the confidence of our investors.
Have you tried exploring temporary collaborations with other manufacturers?
I did consider it that, but it's too risky. Compromise yung quality ng gamot natin considering the short timeline that it gave us. Really sorry, Ben. I know I should have anticipated this, and I also didn't want to taint your legacy.
It happens to the best of us. Now, if you think that I'm in any way disappointed, nagkakamali ka. In fact, I'm happy to help. Naantay lang kitang diba? Wait here. I make a few calls.
Ano daw pinag-usapan?
Ano ka talaga ang sadya ni Don? Kasi sobrang seryosong pinag-uusapan mo. Magpapakasal na kayo?
Hindi po. Wala ko po sa isip namin yun.
And why is that?
Hindi pa nga po kami na romansa rito.
But you love each other naman. Tsaka hindi na tayo bumabata. Kung nagkataon, hindi ko na may enjoy mo.
Apo?
Mom, stop it. You're scaring Secretary Kim.
Well, it's your fault because you're leaving again. At least pag may mga apo na ako, I won't be lonely in this house.
Alis ka talaga nang walang paalam, Sir Cyrus.
Papalo naman talaga ako eh. Kailangan mo lang ako.
Kailangan mo ba talaga magpakalayo?
Magkagaro ako lang. Tahimik ang buhay.
Gusto mo talaga ng peace and quiet. Supportan ko ko dyan. Pero kung aalis ka para tumakas ulit, sabi ko sa'yo, I'm sorry pero hindi ka talaga matatahimik na.
Hindi pa si Dada. Sabi pa siya ipakang ginawa ko sa kanya.
Yan tayo eh. Lagi mo iniisip na masama kang tao. Kalimutan mo na. Na-trauma ka rin naman, Sir Cyrus. No. It's not your fault. Wala kang kasalanan. Kailangan mo rin mag-heal. Bilang ikaw.
Oh, you know how to hurt people.
Alam mo, noon pa man, bilang si Morpheus, tinutulungan mo lang sa mga kwento mo. To be more hopeful. Ngayon naman, nung nakilala na kita po, Sir Cyrus, ikaw naman yung unang tumulong sa akin to deal with my trauma. Kaya, maraming salamat. Huwag mo sana kakalimutan na mabuti kang tao.
Thank you. You're a good friend. Okay.
Sabi ka na yakapin.
Not now, please.
Gusto kayo may para magpaalam. Para siya, hindi na kita maabutan.
tough check. But I wanted to tell you in person, mag-ingat ka kay Jordan. He's a bully. Takes ka slow. And it's not gonna stop until he breaks you. Kaya huwag mo hayaan mangyari yun. Anyways, take care of mom and dad, okay?
Thank you. For what you did for Ken. Philip, finally you answered my call. You get the good news about the shipment?
Jupiter illuminated in your career house. This day promises a stroke of luck in your professional endeavors. Sabi ko na nga.
Virgo po, sabi ko.
Alam mo, pwede. Since nasa relationship sector ng Venus, it means you're about to fall in love.
Oh my! After the step ko na Sarah!
Hindi naman totoo yung horoscope na yun.
Alam mo, Ronnie, ang lepal-lepal mo. Kailan ko ba in-invalidate yung pagiging bida-bida mo?
True!
Ito din. Anong horoscope mo?
Yes po, Secretary Kim.
Oh, ano daw?
Release ko na sa customs ng shipment! Nabit natin ang letter!
So, Ronnie, told you, I'm lucky today. And that goes for you too, Marie. Okay, guys. Balik tayo sa work. Call distribution, logistics, call mo na din. Tapos para yung ER, pakuha na din sila. Ako na tawag kay Debbie sa marketing. Go na, guys.
Let's do this!
You know, I spoke to Madam Secretary, and she was furious. You should have heard her. She said that she will have the customs sent to place as soon as possible.
Thank you, Dad.
Oh, puta na. Hindi na kayo magdi-dinner dito.
Dad, you know I want to, but I still have to meet with operations. We have to expedite the production for a Swift battery.
Oh, sige. Basta. Balitaan mo ako.
Dad, I just wanted to thank you again for coming through, not just for me, but also for Prime Alpha.
Don't mention. Pero, talas-dalasan mo naman ang pagkasulta. Mas ka na rin ang action sa opisina.
Dad, kaya nga kayo nag-retire, diba? So you can rest.
Yes, but it sure can get lonely sometimes. So it would feel nice to be needed every once in a while.
Sabi mo yan, Dad.
Oh, sige na. Give them a few more minutes. Ako nag-enjoy pa, Mami.
So, ano ba naman? She's pretty. Mukhang mabait.
Sana lang ho, mas matagal ko siyang nakasama.
Yeah, I miss my mom too. Must have been hard for you.
Kaya ho, laking salamat po sa mga Castillo. Kasi hindi ho sila napagod na tulungan ko. After ho kasi namatay ni Mama, sila na ho kasi yung nagpaaral sa akin. Kung hindi ho dahil sa kanila, baka ho sa kalsada na lang pulutin.
You know, the reason that I'm talking to you now is because I'm doing a story as it was lahat ng mga tinulungan ko, which apparently marami pala. Think of it like a tribute. And
pwede mo akong magsasabi.
Baby boy, sorry ha. Ikaw naman kasi sabi ko sa'yo, let's dance na para hindi ka nasisingitan ng iba. Ay. Ikaw nga ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw nga ba love of my life? Ikaw nga ba gising sa ibabaw ng bakit ko? Ikaw nga ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw nga ba love of my life? Mr. Right ka ba?
Hi sis, I've earned it. Finally!
Congratulations! Let's celebrate!
Wait, why are you congratulating me? Dad did all the work.
Pero, nice mo pa rin. Congrats!
I was saying, but still, I want to apologize for being weak and for almost choosing the easy way out.
Brandon, hindi ba naman kailangan maging perfect? You just have to be yourself. Ang prinsipyo, tao pa rin naman eh. Nagkakamali ka rin.
It's really hard for me to do.
Pero, kahit hindi pantayan tayo mo, o kahit na nagsisleep ka, kahit na makulit ka, lalo na kahit na seloso ka, mahal pa rin kita.
I'm just really proud of us. I'm sorry if sometimes I'm inconsiderate about your feelings. But for 9 years, I bottled everything in. I just wanna make you feel my love so bad. Ngayon, alam mo na, wala nang gustong sayangin mo oras.
I love you, Brandon.
I love you. I'm sorry. Can we continue this? I don't think I'll be able to hold myself back.
ba din yung gets doon? Ha? Hintay po kayo dito. Maghintay! Eh kung di siya lumabas, ano gagawin ko? Sir, mahal ko talaga. Mahal ko. Yeah!
Hayaan nyo na. Ha? Ano ba talaga gusto mo?
Are you so high and mighty that 5 minutes of your time is too much for common folk like me? You know I lost my job because of you. You owe me this much.
That's all your fault. You tried to exploit my family story. Kami nga biktima rito eh.
Kayo? Ang biktima dito? Eh ba't hanggang ngayon tinutulungan niyo pa rin yung pamilya ng kidnapping ng drama? You didn't think I knew that, huh? Yeah! Nakausap ko yung anak. Apparently, every month, may nakukuha siyang cheque galing sa inyo. So, you know, if that's not a sign of guilt, then I don't know what is.
Hindi ko alam kung ano mga pinagsasasabi mo.
You don't know what I'm talking about. Tanong mo na lang sa akin.
What is this guy saying?
Good morning, boss.
Good morning talaga. Bakit pag ikaw yung may suot ng shirt ko sobrang sexy?
Ayun nga, ako lang po. Good morning.
I can't wait to wake up beside you every day.
Alam mo, the feeling is mutual. Pangarap ko din talaga.
Ano yan?
Pag nag-asawa na ako, gusto ko, mukha niya yung bubungad sa akin pag-gising ko sa umaga. Gusto ko din, mukha niya rin yung kulit na nakita bago ako matulog.
Did I hear it right? Asawa.
Alam mo, magkape na muna tayo para yun.
I know what I heard. Okay?
Brandon, tingin na sa akin kung ano yung magagawa today.
No, I don't wanna work. I wanna work.
Hindi pwede yun.
Cancel all my meetings.
Bakit? Anong gagawin mo today?